a sound knowledge in terms of what is going on in the industry is very important. And I would give you a few examples, like for example, if we talk about manufacturing industry, okay, and if someone is talking about and if you're in an interview, obviously, like he would definitely ask you that what are the upcoming trends. Like it will come out of, like it is something that even I ask someone who, like, who is a recent associate, and I want to maybe staff him for a particular engagement, because if he's being staffed and he has a basic understanding of technically what is going on in the industry, he will definitely like cope up better with the client. So I would say, like, getting a sound knowledge on 2 to 3 recent industry trends in each of the industries will be good. Because when you take interviews for PwC or Gartner, they will not interview you for particular industry, like for example manufacturing or something. They will not do that. So they will basically be they want someone who is industry agnostic. Like tomorrow if there's a client in pharma, uh, they would want you to place there. And so I mean, definitely you're more valuable to them if you're that way. But if you're very like specific to an industry, and if you're lucky enough to get that particular role, that's well and fine, but that those are like less opportunities there.